Today I'm going to show you how to repair this iwoly motorized floor brush model C150. And the problem we're having is when we turn it on, the brush doesn't turn. You can see it's starting to turn, but it's not turning. See, it's clicking, but it's not rotating. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this roller out, this floor brush, and we will see what's happening with that. I'm thinking that it's just full of hair and it's just caught up. So to do this, I think you just go ahead and, this is on lock. You can see that lock, and then to turn it over there, it'll unlock. Then I think we can go ahead and pull that out. So what we need to do is we need to unloosen this lock here, and this will unlock this little plate right here. Actually, that's unlocked. Now we need to unlock it. So we unlocked it. Now all you need to do is lift that up. Now we can pull the roller out. And we'll go ahead and take a look and see what the problem is. See, it's not spinning very well. I think what's happened is this is plugged up. I think you can just pull this end cap off, and you can see in here what the problem is. See all this hair? You just go ahead and remove that. You can see there's a lot of hair in there. And there's the problem right there. And now that we have all this removed, then you just go ahead and throw the cap back on. Make sure you snap it on. Now you can see it's nice. It spins nice and easy. And while we're at it, we might as well just clean this off a little bit. Get as much of the gunk off as we can. So it's it's a very simple fix. So when you go to put this in, you'll notice that there's a triangle on this end, and when you look inside of here, you can see the triangle down here. So you want to line that up so when you slide this in, that fits into the triangle, and then you just throw the other end in. We then need to put this other piece back on. You just snap that into place. And then you just need to go ahead and lock it. And you can see now it spins. Well, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it works now. You can see now that it's spinning. And we've got it nice and cleaned out. Again, it was this ball of hair that was causing it to be jammed. And this will apply to most any vacuum. It doesn't have to be this iwoly. You can see how nice and fast it spins right now. But thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you will subscribe.